I'll be bleaching my knot now. So this is my wig. It's funny how I'm gonna use purple shampoo when my wig is actual purple. We'll see how it turns out. But this is what it looks like. I'll be bleaching the knot. It's a little whitish. Last time I installed my hair, I just put my foundation on the foundation powder, and this will be the foil that I'll be using, and then my mixing brush, mixing bowl, and then the Claro Professional BW2, and my my 30% volume developer. I'd watch a whole lot of videos and hopefully I get this right. Also, I got my shampoo, my purple shampoo. Although I bought this and then I got the conditioner. I was like, okay, I'm buying a whole lot for something I haven't tried before. But this is what I will be using. Stay tuned. And of course the foil to put it in. So I have stopped halfway on my, what do you call it, hair install video. Wig install. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get my actual bleach. Basic white bleach. I'll just put 2 scoops in. I'll put 2 scoops. Don't really have any actual measurement. This is my first time. I'll do 2.5. It's my first time, so I don't want to overdo things. That's what it looks like. So I'll add the developer until I get a toothpaste consistency. I don't want it to look runny, so it doesn't seep through the lace. It smells like tea that has been sitting for days. I think this is good for me, since it's my first time. I don't want to do too much. Then for the hair itself, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some got2b glue so I can get the baby hair out of the way, because I wouldn't want to bleach it. You see the knots? So I'll let it dry a little bit and then I'll flip it and start. So I'll spray about 2 more layers of the got2b glue after flipping it around, just to make sure it protects the hair from doing too much. So I'll let it dry off, and then I'll apply my bleach. Let's apply the bleach. I'm gonna apply very, very slight pressure because I don't want to bleach the wig itself, especially at the beginning. It's literally my first time doing this. Oh, how about I do it backward? Let's do it here, from front to back. I am currently 8 months pregnant, heading to 9 months, and doing all of this. Please check out the video on how I installed this wig. It's my second install ever, but my first time bleaching out knots. just flip it around to make sure I'm not doing too much. To make sure it's not seeping through the lace. Okay. And my wig itself, right? So I'll leave it like that and let it sit. This is not the actual color, it's the color of the foundation of the wig I had there before. So I'll just cover it and I'll check back in 10 minutes just to see how it's doing. Just apply some heat, you know. Well, I don't want to press this into. I'm just gonna keep it with the aluminum foil and see how that goes. I think I see some of them on my base. But I'll just wait for 10 minutes and see how that goes. Wait for 10 minutes and see. I'm trying to do this for at least 20 minutes so I don't do too much since I got some of them on my actual wig. So wait for 10 minutes and see. This is what it looks like 10 minutes later. I can't really tell for sure. That's what it looks like. So I'll wait 10 more minutes and see. So another 10 minutes has passed and it's been 23 minutes so far. So I had to use my hand. Open up and see if I can see any knot. At this point, whether it worked or not, I'll wash it off. I'll probably wait for 5 more minutes. I'll wash it off because I don't want it to over bleach. For some reason, I feel like it's not even bleaching at all. I don't know if it's because of the spray, but maybe there's a difference. I'm just not saying it. I'll wait for 5 more minutes to give it a total of 25 minutes-ish. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. So I don't want to, do too much. It's been 30 minutes in total. It's probably a little orangey inside. I'm not sure. I put in neutralizing shampoo to stop all the processes. I still see some knots. I'm not sure exactly why. Let's finish it. Okay, so the purple on purple shampoo. I'll let it sit about 15 minutes and then I'll continue. Okay, so it's been 15 to 20 minutes. Go ahead and wash it out. Wash it out. So I blow dried it and that's what it looks like. So I think the bleaching worked. It's just because it's a purple hair. Because this is it. I don't see anything black as compared to the back part. Let me see. And look at that. Just purple under. I don't think I did bad for my first time. And this is my hand inside. I didn't think the knot really bleached well, but that's what I got after installing it. I had, blocked it too bad or too wide. It's my first time plucking, but I can always cover it up, Okay, U-shape. Whatever it is. Hopefully this video helped, either in a good way or in a way that I shouldn't make mistakes. Yes, baby. He loves to stand. As of the time I'm editing this video, he's currently 8 months old. Imagine 8 months on the inside during the video and 8 months on the outside during editing of the video. And 8 months post baby and 10 months since I recorded that video. This is what I look like. Looking fabulous. Look at that. About 9 to 10 months. 10 months precisely. You guys, please make sure you watch other hair videos that I have, especially this crochet that I made. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.